Just now there was a van in front of us, Toyota, license plate ending in 577. I mean, the guy literally ditched an accident. There was some sort of a truck going on, moving, the left lane, but the vehicle is safe, and the vehicle is only about a kilometer away route. So fingers crossed. Hope they make it safe. It's gonna be bad probably. Whoever is gonna take refuge here at the en route, they might be stuck for a day or more than that. Although this is Ontario, the snow removal vehicles, they do tend to work. Oh my god. Okay. Be careful, be careful. Okay, now you need to know these are the